All right, Gumi. So sometimes sites ask for like a phone number for security purposes, and I'm always actually afraid to give my my phone number. One, I just don't want random people calling me all the time. But how do you think about that? When is it valuable, or maybe not so valuable?
Yeah, it's actually super important that when a site asks you for a security phone number that you provided, I think most people would agree that they wouldn't hesitate to give their credit card company their phone number because in the case of fraud, you do want them to contact you and to verify those charges so that you're not responsible for them, etc. In the same way, providing your phone number to these online companies gives a way for the companies to contact you in case that there's issues. In addition to that, the phone number itself is actually a security mechanism. So, for example, a lot of us on banking services, we try to log in, and then the banking service would send us an SMS code sent to your mobile phone number. And then you're able to enter that before you're even able to log in. And what that does is it actually prevents that fraud from even happening. And so instead of just the bank calls you because there's fraud, it's like, hey, let's prevent the fraud in the first place.
I have to say that last point is very important. Like people think this is all theoretical. I on a not every day that would really freak me out, but several times in the past year I get a little code like so and so is trying to log into your account and there's a code. I'm like, oh no, somehow maybe someone broke in or they're creating a new. I don't know what's going on, but the fact that I take comfort that they didn't get the code, that I got the code, and they wouldn't be able to log in, and that kind of goes into is that what we're talking about when we're talking about two-factor authentication? That you have to have kind of a two devices that say a hacker in a foreign country or a bad actor might not have access to.
Yes, absolutely. You're right that because that code was only sent to your phone number, it was not sent to that attacker. And so they cannot get in. They're stopped at that point. And also, if people don't like phone numbers, there's lots of different ways that you can do two-factor authentication. We can send prompts to your device. There's these things called security keys. Some people might have heard of. There's a big variety.